if we adopt a consumption tax system and eliminate our current income tax system, it would mean that we would only pay taxes on the goods that we buy. So for example, if someone has an income of $100,000 and they spend $80,000 on groceries and cars and houses and so forth, and let's say that the consumption tax rate in this particular country is 20%, that would mean that the person would spend 20%, or would have to pay the businesses that they buy the goods from, and then the businesses would give the money to the government, 20% of $80,000, which is 1/5 of $80,000, or $16,000. So the government would receive $16,000 in taxes from this particular individual. Now it would not receive any individual income tax, so this would be it. And for the person paying the tax, of course, the goods and services that he or she will buy will be more expensive. It'll be 20% more expensive. However, the big advantage, of course, is that this person is not paying any income taxes. Some people suggest to exempt the essential goods and services, for example, bread and milk, and maybe essential living expenses, to have no consumption tax on that, so 0% on that. And then only the more luxury items would be subject to this 20%, and this is in order to have the lower income people not pay too much in taxes, so it's a social thing. The big advantage of the consumption tax system, that we will not need any accountants, because we will be paying taxes when we buy goods and services. So businesses will have to forward the money, but that's a relatively easy thing to do. And we won't need as many government tax auditors, so the government is going to save money. Hopefully they can lower our taxes, or lower this consumption tax rate, because they don't need to hire as many people within the IRS. The other advantage of the consumption tax system is that many more people will be paying taxes, because just about everybody needs to buy goods and services. So even illegal drug dealers, or anybody illegal immigrants who buy goods and services here in this country, everybody will be paying and contributing to our overall taxes. Another advantage of a consumption tax system is that because consumption is taxed, people have more incentive to save, so savings will go up. And this is going to be better for our long-run economy. Perhaps in the short run, as people get more careful about consuming things, the economy might slow down a little bit. So in the short run, the economy might struggle a bit. That might be a disadvantage. But as people get more savings, which also gives more funds to the financial system, more money in banks, stocks, bonds, interest rates will be lower. It will be good for businesses and production and job creation. And the long run economic health in general, because of a higher savings rate, will be better.